Hi, in front of me is VIVO Y200 and today I would like to show you how you can use the one-handed mode. You need to begin by going into Tab menu and looking for a mini screen mode shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to change placement of it, click on this square button at the top right or left corner and drag it. In order to resize it, tap on the same icon and drag those white dots. When you find the perfect size, let go. Lastly, if you wish to go back from this mode, use this X at the top right or left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!